So that's the inlet manifolds painted, strut bars on, new sticker, HKS sticker for air filter. So I just need to do this bit next of it, supercharger belt. What else do I need to do? I'm going to paint these bits inside here red and black. So that's my next job. Yay. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today I'm doing the the wilwood brakes today. So they're all fitted now. So I've just got the other side to fit and clean up, but we'll do that next. So that's all put back together now. Looking smart now it's all been under sealed. Could probably put alright, that's this side finished. That's all bolted back up. Pads are on, calipers on. Brilliant. Do. So that's the brakes on. Back brakes are all bled up, done. Start painting them rear calipers next. That's the next job. Paint them calipers up. But yeah, she's all bled up, brake fluids in. Job is a good one. So next job is to fit the supercharger. I'll keep going on about it, but I need to fit the supercharger guard, and then I might have to move this here, go underneath this bit here so it avoids my belt. So I might do that next. She's a beauty now. Oh, start her up. 1 second. Right then. It's got a bit more tuning to do on to AFR gauge. It's a bit all over the place at the minute. I thought we'd set it up in tick over mode, but I don't think we have yet, so I think there's still a bit more to do yet. But the brakes are done, so now I can start looking at moving it around there. And then I've got me boost gauges to fit and oil pressure, so that'll be going up here on here like that. Just need to trim this trim down because it's a bit overkill, so trim that with angled grinder and stuff. Got my HKS mats in now. Very nice. Fantastic. At last. So that's the supercharger guard. So that's going to be fitted to car next. So the front bumper to paint, side skirts to paint, spoilers to paint. The paint's on its way, so I've got a week off work next week. So I'm going to get this front bumper all finished. I've got the mesh to fit out the old bumper. And there's a bit of damage here I need to do, so I need to buy some fiberglass filler, sort that bit out. Sort indicators out, put them back in fog lights, fit the mesh. Obviously side skirts want a bit of fettling and painting. Rear spoiler off at GPVR, so I'm going to get that painted blue. And then we'll look at getting it all buffed up. The old paintwork buffed up so it looks a lot more shinier and stuff. So yeah, just a bit more to do now, guys. So brakes are all finished now, so we'll look at painting everything, and then we'll start test driving it and setting it up through ECU while we're test driving, you see, so you can adjust everything while it's in motion. So just a quick short one today, guys. So I should have filmed me fitting the brakes, but I completely forgot. Don't know why I completely forgot, but I have. So yeah, so I'll try and do some more videos for you coming up shortly. Thanks for watching.